Well, I hope you can see this. We've got a genuine power cut today. I'm mucking about with the central heating system, playing around. I go, oh no, and the power went off. I thought, what have I done? But no, the whole street's out. Nothing I've done, so we'll just have to wait and see what happens. But as you can see, there it is, running along nicely. The Compaq UPS is powering my web server and my NAS box, etc., etc. And of course the Sentinel, the aircon in the workshop PC as well. It's getting powered up. So I don't really know how long this UPS will last. It's new to me. It's a repair I did, bought off eBay to replace the old system, which only lasted about an hour. Not really sure how long this one will last, but I guess if it's off for any length of time, I'll be able to see. And here's the lights in the front here. It's rather grainy because it's obviously low light, but you've got the battery status indicators on the middle column there, and they're full up, so I've obviously still got full capacity there. The power's only been off about 10 minutes, and there's a fault light, that lower left hand red light there, that's a fault light, obviously signifying that there's an AC incoming problem. And the load here, there's a column of LEDs there, that's for the load indication. So as you can see, I've got a pretty low load. I mean, there's only one web server, an NAS box, and a PC, and a couple of other bits and pieces. Well, actually, there's one important item that I've got powered off of the UPS. It's down this end of the workshop, if I can move through the darkness there. And that's my 2458A, which is still running along nicely there. Of course, the PC that actually I use in the workshop, it's all off. I've got an iPad down at the bottom there that's running away on its own battery. But yep, the 3458A and the server rack there are running away. So hopefully it gets power back soon, and I'll get back to normal.